Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using Sellermp and Keepa for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers, right? So yeah, with that said, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using Keepa and Selleramp. So first up is for you guys to open up your um, Amazon product page, right? And then you open up your what you call this, the supplier page. And then from here you compare the products and just make sure that they match. So for example, this one is a Tranquility overnight underwear. So it's adult diapers, I believe. The size is double XL, I think. Let's see. So yeah, 2X. Double XL. Okay, it's the same. So the cost of this product is $19, right? $19.02 to be exact. And the selling price on Amazon seems to be at $57. So plug this in. $7. It's getting 2,900 sales a month. So again, you go down here, you go to variations. The variation is auto selected right there. And then from here, you check it. So it seems like this variation is selling at, it's taking 100% of the sales. So it means that this variation is getting 2,900 sales a month at 100% ROI, which is pretty interesting. This is really high. Okay. So this one could be good, except that, well, it's interesting because the buy box for this one is at $57, right? So the buy box is actually here. This most expensive seller is getting the buy box. But then these other sellers are selling this product at a very low price from here to here. So that makes it risky. Let's see, I'll look at Keepa. So the most stable price on Keepa is about $29, which is that one. So man, this was really risky. But if the product is selling at 2,900 times a month, there's enough sales volume to make this happen. But then again, it's really risky here, right? So it's really going to be up to your risk tolerance on how you guys want to do this. But yeah, this is going to be up to you guys. The current buy box is at $57, which means this most expensive seller is getting it. So again, the risk is going to be up to you. Next product. What's this one? It's a one cucumber aloe cleansing conditioner. 16 fluid ounces. Okay. Fluid ounces. So, okay. Okay, so $32 is the cost, right? The current buy box is at $54.90. Plug it in. This product is getting 23 sales a month, right? So 23 sales a month shared with these with about 11 sellers. Interesting. So the buy box is currently, let me see, it's so weird. It's currently here at this price, $54. So right there. So it's $54, right? If you price it here, you're getting a 19% ROI, or sorry, like 20% ROI. The only concern with this is that the first 3 sellers are pricing it really low, so it's going to give you a low ROI. But then again, the buy box is currently at 54, right? So I think this one, this one also doesn't have a lot of sales volume, only 23 sales a month. So yeah, this was a tough one. I think it's decent. So I would look at the Keepa chart. So this one is selling at 54, 54, 51. So price is trending down. So now it's like, man, this one is at $49, and the seller count is going up. So it's not, honestly, it's not really looking good. But it's not the best product out there. There's not enough volume of sales, right? 23 sales a month. We're starting off with a low ROI, and there's a lot of sellers here. So yeah, this one I'll probably skip. Next product. So this one is a Neutrogena fragrance free, 12 fluid ounce. Neutrogena fragrance free, ultra gentle from face wash. Okay. So 12 fluid ounces. It's good. Price is $10.27. $10.27. Current buy box is 31. I just want to see other sellers. Wow, it's interesting too. Okay, so let's run the numbers. So this one is selling at 6,700 times a month. The variation is, let's see. So go to variations. It's a variation. So click on scented 12 fluid ounces and check. Man, interesting. Scented. So this one is not really clear. So I would go to Keepa. Go to variations. And then I would pick the exact variation right here, which is exact variation. So 12 fluid ounce unscented. 12 fluid ounce unscented right there. So this one is getting 12% of the sales, right? So I would take 12% of this number. So 6704 times 0.12. So this exact variation is getting 800 sales a month, right? The only problem though is that the first 5 sellers on this listing is selling this at a way lower price. So unless you want to settle, price your product here, take a risk, you can, right? If you price it at about $25, you're getting 18% ROI. But the risk here is that these 5 sellers here are pricing it way too low, and you're gonna have a hard time competing with them as far as the price. As you guys can see here, if you compete with this guy, you're getting negative 16% ROI. So yeah, this one I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to skip this one. Or if you want, again, you can price the product at a higher price right here and just wait, right? So yeah, hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my group, network with other sellers, and also attend my free weekly calls. So that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.